Let's put on our thinking caps. Today's word is about understanding what we read and hear. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is comprehension. Can you say it with me? Comprehension. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-O-M-P-R-E-H-E-N-S-I-O-N. That spells comprehension. Comprehension means the ability to understand something. Here are some words that mean the same as comprehension. Say them with me. Understanding, like knowing how to play a game. Grasp, like holding on to an idea. Insight, like noticing the lesson in a story. Awareness, like realizing the light is green. Perception, like seeing how a puzzle fits together. Each one shows how comprehension helps us make sense of things. Now let's look at the opposites of comprehension. Confusion, like not knowing what the teacher said. Ignorance, like not learning the rules of a game. Misunderstanding, like mixing up the directions. Incomprehension, like staring at a problem with no idea. Oversight, like missing an important clue. That's what happens when you don't have comprehension. Here's a great example. Sofia's reading comprehension improved with daily practice. That means she understood stories better every day. Time for a recap. Comprehension means the ability to understand something. Synonyms: understanding, grasp, insight, awareness, perception. Antonyms: confusion, ignorance, misunderstanding, incomprehension, oversight. Awesome job! Comprehension gives you the power to understand and remember new information every day. Try this. After reading or listening to a story, tell someone the main idea. Bonus points if you share one detail too. Awesome! You showed great comprehension by truly understanding what you read or heard. Great work today, explorers! See you tomorrow for another adventure with Word Up with Sofia.